We can use inversion with the second conditional to talk about an unreal future situation using all verbs except the verb to be. We do this when we want to be more formal. If the government solved all our problems, they would be extremely popular. Were the government to solve all our problems, they would be extremely popular. If becomes were, and the verb changes from the past simple to the to infinitive form. The main clause doesn't change. If I wanted your assistance, I would ask for it. Were I to want your assistance, I would ask for it. If changes to were, and the verb changes from the past simple to the to infinitive form. The main clause doesn't change. See if you can convert the sentences in the video description. Put your answers in the chat.